This is what we're opening today, the Million Warriors. So let's get right into it. Never mind my kids upstairs running around. One's not in school yet, and one just got home from the hospital. So when I do these lives, I can do it live anytime, but normally when I do my videos, my YouTube videos, I gotta wait till like 1, 2 o'clock in the morning for 6 kids to go to sleep and a cat to lay down, stop running around. Alright, so Million Warriors. I opened this guy the other day. I'll get closer shots of them in a minute. These are my favorites so far. I said yesterday or the day before, this guy reminds me of Baxter Stockman. Kinda. He's a 1. He should be like a 50. And then you got the translucent blue. These are pretty cool. But my favorite so far that I got is Billy Bob Bryce. I think I'm saying the last part wrong. I could be right. But it's this little alien guy, and he glows in the dark. And I mean, like, he glows good. And he glows so good that you can still see, like, the paint all over him and stuff, which is pretty cool. Like, they definitely remind me of 80s, early 90s, maybe. Yeah, 90s for sure. And 80s. Of like Grosso toys. You know, me and my Grosso toys. Alright. So, let's open this up. No more waiting around. Okay, so that was pretty easy. And the only thing about these packs is if you don't got, if you've never got them before, like, I don't know, the set, they don't come with the launchers. So you gotta buy those separately, I believe. Yeah. Which is weird, because that's the whole point of the game. Like, there's a place right here they could have put a launcher in there. Like, there was nothing there, but there's a space, right? So, they could have put even, like, a cheap launcher, like, not a good launcher. Like, if you get the bigger ones, you know, you get the better launchers. But, whatever. Alright, so let's keep this, because we're going to want to know the names. Like, that one's what? Green Fly? Listen to those kids up there. Crazy kids. Alright. We'll save the 3 for those 3 for last, and we'll start with these 2. So we got the Astrals, the Ancients, and the Heroes. I want more of the Astrals. Alright. Okay, so that's a double already. I have that guy already. Hopefully I don't get all doubles. That would suck. Alright, next one. Okay, not sure if I got this guy. Like I said, I'll get a closer shot of them in a minute. So that's 2. This one feels really flat. Okay, he's cool. I don't have him. He's a 1. Oh yeah, so what are they? Okay, he's a 1. I think there are going to be all 1s in this package. Yeah, he's a 1. Alright, we just got that one. And I don't think I got this guy yet. He's a 1 also. Alright. Geez, you go through these things some fast. So now we're on to the 3 packs. We get 10 of them. What's this one? Oh, this one's pretty cool. I like the color. He's a 1 as well. And yes, I see him right away. Next one. This one's pretty funny. He's a 1 too. Yeah, it's Princess. I believe. I'll look it back up, but that's a girl, I believe. Alright, so we want something good here. Something good. Ooh. Yes. Okay. That's what I wanted. Another green alien. And this one glows in the dark too, and this one's a 5. Yes. That is cool. Okay, so happy with this pack so far. We got 1 double, but we got 2 glow-in-the-darks now. But it looks like my print on the face is a little messed up, which sucks. Alright, last little ticket sleeve. So we know these ones are just 1s, but there's some cool ones in the 1s. Okay, I don't think I got this one. It's pretty cool. Alright, second last one. This one feels pretty big. No, normal size. But it is my first, I believe it's a knight. I'm not sure. The face looks a little funny and wonky on it. He's a number 1 as well. Yes, the last one was a number 1. So a lot of there's a lot of 1s. See, this one you can't really see. Like, it's hard to see the face on it, but last rare, and this feels like a big flat one. So I doubt it. Okay, hopefully it's another glow-in-the-dark one. That's what we want. That's what we're hoping for. Oh! It's not a glow-in-the-dark. I don't think so. No. But it is pretty cool. It's like a sparkly pink translucent. So those are the glow-in-the-dark ones. These are some of my favorite right here. Right now. But see this guy's face? It I don't know. Looks a little rubbed out. And then the translucent blue. Show you this one in the light more. There we go. Can kind of see them. So yeah, so that's what we got right now. I had a couple from the other day that I opened, and then that's what I got so far. I got a couple more upstairs, but that's what I got so far just from opening this. So I got 2 more packs, so I'll probably be on tonight to finish opening the rest. I'm gonna go enjoy this nice day with my kids.